Let's make an Asian stir fry with noodles, vegetables, and ground beef. Y'all, it was so good. Look at that. You're going to start by dicing an onion. I tried to do this one-handed, but that's impossible. I'm going to add some beef tallow a friend gave me to a wok. Heat that shit up. And then you're going to saute your onion until your onion starts to become translucent. After your onion has cooked a little bit, try to add some, oh God. Round 2, add the ground beef. I'm so clumsy. After the ground beef is brown, add like 5 cloves of garlic. Measure with your heart. We got this bag of stir-fry vegetables as bok choy, kale, Brussels sprouts, and ginger. I also had carrots, more bok choy, zucchini, and red bell pepper I cut up. I'm going to start with the pre-chopped vegetables. You're going to add it to your wok and mix it in with the beef. And then I'm going to add this bag of leafy stuff. Saute all of those things together. Cook the vegetables down so your fiance doesn't know what he's eating. And then this packet came with it. You can feel free to throw it out, but I'm going to add it because why not? And then I'm going to add some hoisin sauce. It's a little bit sweet, so if you're keto, don't use this. And then some gluten-free soy sauce. And then next, I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil. I realized I need to buy more the next time I'm at the store. And then some rice vinegar. You can also add rice wine vinegar, whatever you want. And then this is a little bit of fish sauce. You can omit it if you don't like fish sauce. And then a little bit of sugar to add some sweetness. I had these ramen noodle packets. You're going to take that seasoning, throw it in the trash, but then cook the noodles according to direction. They boil in like 3 minutes. So after you strain them, add them to your pot. You're going to want to mix everything together so those noodles can soak up the flavor. I don't know why I've never thought to do this. I always serve rice with my stir fry, but the noodles were a game changer. Look at how beautiful and colorful this dish is. It was pretty quick and easy to make. This was our dinner on a weeknight. I was very proud I ate 2 bowls of it. Please like and follow for more. Thank you very much.